Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a spouse to United Healthcare. Let's get started. You usually can only add a spouse during certain times. These times are called enrollment period. You can add a spouse during open enrollment or after a qualifying life event like marriage. Most plans give you 30 days after marriage to add your spouse. Do not wait too long. Next, check where your insurance comes from. Your plan may be through your job, the health insurance marketplace, or a private plan you bought yourself. This matters because the steps can be different. If your insurance is through your employer, contact your HR or benefits department. Tell them you want to add your spouse. They will give you a form for online steps. If you bought your plans yourself, log into United Healthcare app or call member service. Now get the information you need. You will usually need your spouse's full name, date of birth, social security number, marriage date, and sometimes a marriage certificate. Then submit the request. Follow the instruction given to you. Review everything carefully before submitting. After your spouse is added, ask for confirmation. This may be an email, letter, or message. Save it for your records. And that's it. That's how to add a spouse to United Healthcare Insurance. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.